Jesus Christ, what a mess in here.
Oh, I'm stuck there. Fuck.
What's with your fucking door open?
How did I get in here first time?
Well,
So there's a hall next door and that leads you to the hall.
wow, this is fucking huge. Yeah, it's just normal. Have you ever seen anything like this? It's just a dumping ground, isn't it?
Oh my god, they've had another fire. This wasn't like this last time I was here, like.
I mean, oh, nice. I mean, that's just stupid. Oh shit, aye. That is fire damaged.
That hall, I think smashed a bit.
Fucking hell of the.
Yeah. That was 4 days ago.
Fucking hell, man. Oh, I like that little feature. Look at that. I just straight into the main street. Oh, there's the rope, look. There's the rope for the bell. That's nice. Oh, we do. We do. We do. We do. Stained glass windows. Oh, what's happening in that scene there? He's got a sword. And he's gonna what? Cut his hair. Shit. What's happening here? Soldiers. Okay. Oh, there he is on the cross, man. Photo.
See? This wasn't like this.
It's all been like set out. Look, someone's got a little table and chair. Nice stained glass windows. Very nice. The only ones in the building, like. Oh shit, I just moved the whole box. What's this? The panelling was completed in commemoration of the Diamond Jubilee of the Church, 1875, 1935. What a beauty. Not yet. I'm just going to have a bit of a mooch up. Right. This is the boiler house. Ew. How about that? I'm building up the pressure. Whatever that does. Crucifixion. Turn that off. Crucifixion. What the deuce? Covered.
There's a hall through there.
Let's go and have a look at the ground.
You've got that window up there, which is basically same as this one. But there was only one window back there.
What is it? I mean, they've tried tidying up at some point, haven't they?
It said like the toys, I think. It said someone moved up there and moved those toys in. And then never came back. And then someone set fire to it.
I mean, what a
If you look-
picture.
If you look at the ceiling of the original photo of all the green ceiling, and now look at all the black smoke.
Ah, it stands out, doesn't it? Fucking arseholes.
Well, the holes through that way. That's what I tried to get out. There's one plan.
Where does that lead you to?
That's just that there. That's just the main gate.
Oh, to get out?
Ah.
Alright.
So that.
You put something in it. Oh, I have put that on.
No, no. I'll put in there. But I haven't kind of donation box. What the fuck's come out with more?
Probably a safe.
That's the toilet.
Covered the same better days. I mean,
Probably through there.
sterilised water, Cowngate, tea lights.
Fucking hell.
And someone just, is there any need to take all these bricks out for the toilet?
Can you get through? Tell us if you can get through.
Oh yeah, I can get through.
Can you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Stinking.
Yeah, there it is. That must be the kitchen in here. Toilet.
It looks like they've been doing something good.
Oh, there's a pool and pigeon, look.
There's a smell there.
Oh shit, aye.
Don't smell it, man. It stinks.
Well, at least it's warm in here for you. Just like a fucking dumping ground for shit.
Steep or that. Oh,
Let's see what's up here. Whoa! Steady on, birds. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck it. May as well go up. That needs a fucking window putting out up there, like. That needs a window putting out.
what?
Because there's a load of fucking pigeons up there and they've got nowhere to go.
That one was ill, that one down there, because I've just been like.
I bet you that's fell from fucking. They can't get out. I don't know how they're getting in up there. Can't put your head up and have a look.
They've come in the church through there and they kind of get out.
They've made the way in somehow. Aye, poor bastards are stuck up there.
Who do you ring for that one?
The pigeon detectives. Oh shit, aye. I mean, that's mad, isn't it, to get through here? They just took the whole fucking wall out.
Instead of coming through the door.
I wonder what's being left on upstairs, because there's a lake there.
I'm ran through on it.
Aye. Right, the exciting part. Did you just go up?
No?
Have you been up?
I came in here, but I haven't found the box, so I didn't get all the way up. Is that a clock tower thing? Yeah, when I was in taking pictures, you're coming in that hole there, and they were just flying around here. The other day, this was just sat outside. This is what it is, I suppose.
There's the old bell rope.
That'll still ring now. The bells up there, you know. Then it, not now,
I've
wait,
tried.
come down.
No,
When I come through the room.
an 80 kilo fucking bell. Look at these carcasses
Oh,
there.
fuck that out, that's stinking now.
Oh, whoa! Whoa, they're even kicking off up the step. No way, there's a chick being hatched right now. Honestly. That chick is brand spanking new. Now I've got to get up there without its fucking mum getting off it. There's 2 eggs there. Sorry, Dicky Bird, but I'm coming up. Whoa. This looks rank. Chisel marks on that. Look, there's just fucking birds' eggs everywhere. Whoa, steady on birds. Right, the worst part of this is the shit. Right. I'll leave that open for a bit of access for the birds. Right. Creek. Right. Down we go. There's them 2 eggs down there. Wow, class.
This is the way I took it, sort of like this way. Yeah, like if you stand here and sort of like this up, see like that way, you get rid of the toys.
Ah, you like to shoot in that mode though, don't you?
Wide as possible.
Aye. Class. All sorted? Been everywhere? Aye. 1893, 1934. Bloody disgraceful setting fire to stuff, man.
Reminds us of the place we were at earlier, that.
It does, aye. Billy's pile of seats.
Yeah, ladders there though. I don't know whether you want that or not. I want some wipes to clean my hands with them.
Which one's lower?
Either or, but there's a screw in that one, mate.
What a hole.
Jesus Christ. Cock's inside as well. I can't get out, can I? Jeez. Oh, my sack. Oh my God. Oh, fell.
He's out.
Here's a look at me coming through there.
Here's warmed up a treat. I'm just going to have a quick walk round the front of the church. There we go, guys. That is the church. Poor pigeons stuck up in the top there. I mean, it's a good size, like, isn't it? There we go, guys. There's another one. Another church. I enjoyed that one, guys. So, there we go. Another one done. Peace, love and respect to the next one, guys. Who knows where we'll turn up.